There's my beautiful daughter, Chloe. How are you, hun?
Hi Daddy, I'm great, how are you doing?
I'm doing very well, let's sit.
Yes, let's. So how are things, really Dad, how is business?
Business is blooming and very successful, I'm thankful to God. Honey, I don't want to talk about business, I want to talk about you. How are things with you? Have you found anyone special?
Wow Dad, you waste no time, you just dive right into it.
Ha 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 ha. Well, I'm a businessman, I don't beat around the bush, now I'm listening. Have anyone capture my little girl, heart?
Actually, yes Dad, I met someone, he's really special to me, we've been seeing each other for a few months, and we're in love. Daddy, he's so amazing and we have so much in common, he's such a gentleman, he's kind and very thoughtful, and caring and loving and generous. He's also a very successful businessman, he owns his own company.
Wow, very impressive, you said so much in so little time, I'm still processing. I see that, this man, really makes you happy, and I can see you're in love. What's his name, hun? Maybe I know him.
The name of his company is Oscar and Francis.
Wow, yes, I've heard of it, it's very popular, for its incredible software's production, very interesting, but I've never met the owner. What's his name, Chloe?
Jason Warwick.
Why does that surname sounds familiar, Chloe, tell me more.
Well, maybe, because Nicholas' wife, Maria, has the same surname. Jason is Maria's brother.
Oh. Wait a minute, so that means Jason is black?
Yes Dad.
Oh hell no, Chloe, forget about that relationship.
Dad, what are you saying? We're in love.
Listen to me, Chloe, you're my only daughter, you're not going to see that Jason again, do you understand?
Dad, I'm a grown woman, you can't control who I fall in love with. You were happy for me, until you found out Jason is black. I'm quite surprised, because Nicholas is happily married with kids with his wife who's black.
And I'm still trying to accept that marriage and situation. But what I won't accept is my one and only daughter getting married to some gangster.
Dad, he's not a gangster, he's a very decent man, and he has a very successful business. And he loves me and I love him.
Chloe, you're confused, walk away from this so-called relationship now, I don't want you seeing that man anymore, do you hear me?
Dad, why are you being this way? I love Jason, you're being a racist person.
I don't care what you want to label it as, I forbid this ridiculous relationship, you really don't want to see my bad side, Chloe, dump that black man. You are not going to see him anymore, or I will make sure that you lose everything.
Dad.
See you soon, Chloe.
Wow, Chloe, what a wonderful surprise, I was just about to come visit you at the gallery. Hey baby, what's wrong?
It's my dad.
What happened?
I can't believe he's doing this.
Chloe baby, talk to me love. Let's sit down.
My dad has forbidden me from seeing you. He said, if I don't, he'll destroy everything I work so hard for. Why is he doing this to me?
What the hell?
Why is he doing this to me?
Love, I'm so sorry, you're going through this, we'll get through this together.
We had brunch, and he started to ask me if I'm seeing anyone special, so I told him about you. He was so impressed. Until I told him that you're Maria's sister, Nicholas' wife, he just started tripping and said, he's not going to accept us, because you're black. I didn't know he would have reacted that way.
Baby, I'm truly sorry, I won't blame you, if you don't want our relationship anymore.
How could you say that, Jason?
Chloe,
Do I mean so little to you? You just want to end things, just like that.
Chloe, no, I didn't mean it like that, I just don't want you to lose everything you work so hard to build, just because of me.
Don't I have a say in this decision? Everyone just wants to decide for me. I can't believe you, Jason.
Chloe, stop.
Let go of me, Jason.
No, Chloe, baby, please, you need to calm down.
Just leave me alone, Jay.
Love, listen to me, I would never trade you for anything in this entire universe. I love you, Chloe, I'm so sorry, but I had to ask. I know how much your business means to you. I just wanted you to know that everything that affects you affects me, and I know your hard work means a lot to you, love.
That's not the most important thing to me, Jason. I love you so much it hurts. I don't ever want to lose you.
Baby, I'm so sorry, please forgive me. Love, look at me. You are never, ever going to lose me. I'm yours forever and ever, Chloe. I love you so much it hurts, just ever thinking about losing you.
Oh Jason, I love you too, baby.
I love you more, Chloe. We'll get through this together, okay, love?
Okay, baby. My dad is the one who leased my apartment, although I'm the one paying for it. It's on his name. He terminated the lease today. Now I'm currently without a home.
What a cruel thing to do your own daughter. Chloe baby, you're not homeless. You can stay here with me, love. After all, we are a couple. I will definitely love you being here with me.
Really, are you sure?
Babe, don't be silly. I love you and I want you here with me. This is our home together. Now where are your things?
Thank you, love. It's outside, in a truck. The movers are waiting.
Well, let's get you moving in, love.
Thank you, Jason.
I'll do anything for you, Chloe. You mean the world to me. Now let's get you moved in and settled.